All right, so now we're gonna make a berry colon cleaner. Do you know why I call it that? Because this smoothie is going to help make everything taste so yum in your mouth, but it's gonna also clean your colon, so you won't be constipated. We have 2 cups of mixed berries, high in vitamin C, high in fiber, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. The flaxseed is high in fiber and in a certain fat called essential fatty acids, omega-3 fatty acids, which makes kids' brains get stronger and bigger. So it's good for your memory and for your brains. Then we're gonna put some bake to sweeten it, also high in fiber and potassium, and some prunes. Prunes helps to clean your colon out, and apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor. Yes, and then some wonderful kale. Your kids won't even know there's kale in this smoothie. You can't see it, you can't taste it. The smoothie's great. Okay, let's get busy. Oh, and 3 cups of almond milk, which we made right here at home. Okay, so let's get busy. You can put in 2 cups of berries. You can put in the... Great idea, I forgot to tell them that. Thank you. Okay, you can put everything in, guys. Just start putting everything in. The berries. I take the kale off the stalk because the stalk's a little bit bitter. So just peel the leaves off the stalk. Awesome. Then I'm just gonna cut this apple here. Just cut up a bit. Great job, guys. And put this whole thing in. Great. And don't forget your sweeteners. Put those in, please. You can put in the sweeteners, just dump them in. You can put in the flax seeds. Yeah. And I'm gonna measure out the milk. This is 2 cups here. Alright. And 3 cups. Perfect. Awesome. Yes, put that all in. And then we're gonna blend it up for about 2 minutes. And whoa, this thing tastes awesome and it's so good for you. No. So it's done. You can also leave it in your refrigerator. Put it in a glass. Put it in your refrigerator and it will stay in your fridge for a good 3 days. It's really good.